Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BUSD from Binance to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets securely, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Coinbase Wallet. Double check that your Coinbase wallet is linked to your email or phone for easy access. BUSD is a stablecoin, so transferring it is pretty simple, but always verify your wallet addresses to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet. That's where your BUSD is stored. Once there, click on Withdraw and search for BUSD in the asset list. Next, you'll need to enter your Coinbase wallet address. To find this, open your Coinbase app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the BUSD address. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Binance, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there's usually a minimum withdrawal amount and network fees, so check those details to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. Select the correct network. BUSD on Binance typically uses BEP20 or ERC20, but make sure it matches what Coinbase supports to prevent lost funds. Once you're good, click Withdraw and wait for the confirmation email or on-screen notification. After the transfer, check your Coinbase wallet to ensure the BUSD has arrived. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Binance to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.